Hey guys, it's Luvableviet and today we're going to do our first monthly favorite, and I'm just gonna let you know it's going to be quite a long video. The first thing that I've been so obsessed with is this Clarins, the Lotion tonique. It's pretty much alcohol-free and combination for oily skin, and I really like toner recently because I realized that my skin since I've been pregnant has been so freaking dry, and I've used so many different types. I used Elizabeth Arden, who looked kind of closely to this, but it just didn't do. Clarins so far has been doing magical things for my skin. I really love it. I definitely recommend this for anyone. I actually got some for my mother also because we have the same skin type, and I didn't fully understand how important toning was until recently, I guess. Like, I've used it on and off, I didn't really care for it, but I've been so addicted to this Clarins toner. Another beauty piece that I really couldn't live without is this Chanel Hydra Beauty Gel Cream. Prior to being pregnant, I was using, it wasn't the gel, there's another one that looks just like this, but it wasn't for gel. And I've been using that one to help moisturize my skin, but as I got older, I realized my skin was getting a lot more greasy and oily. And then when I wash it, so I have to wash it all the time, and so it really dried my face out. That's why I realized that the toner, since I've been using toner, it's gotten better since Kate's been born. And I started using the Hydra Beauty Gel Cream. It's been doing amazing things, especially on the makeup. And yes, go for the Hydra Gel because it is made for oily combination skin, so it really helped control that. And my makeup, I've had it on for a good 6 hours, and as you can see, it's been doing magical things. It's looking great. So I definitely would recommend this Hydra Beauty Gel Cream by Chanel. It is quite pricey, but you know, I'm not forcing you to buy this, you know, I'm just saying this is things that work for me, that I really enjoy, and I do believe in spending a little more on skincare just because, you know, you want to invest having great skin, because if you can get away from not wearing makeup, why not? So next thing I want to talk about, okay, I was really like hesitating to give Fenty a try because I am definitely a Cᴏılᴛ girl, but I might give it to RIHANNA. Riri really did it right this time. I'm going to give Fenty Beauty the Makeup of the Year award, okay? I have never found a match like Fenty. Fenty lasts all day. I cannot live without Fenty now. Literally, I have La Prairie, which is about like $2 something a bottle, and I have Cᴏılᴛ, that's about like $75 a bottle. Trust me, Fenty whoop their behind. Oh my god. For a face mask, moisturization, as well as peeling, I'm gonna have to give it to Glow Recipe. Okay, Glow Recipe took me by surprise. I have been loving their product. This is actually my second purchase. This is a watermelon sleep mask, and you can use a lot of it and wash it off within like 20 minutes, but I actually let it stay in my face overnight. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. How I use this on the daily. After I put on my toner, I would use this, and that would be it for me throughout the day. However, what I actually do with this at night is I would, of course, tone my face, put this on, and then this on top of that. And I do try to go far down my neck, mainly because one thing I really notice is as you age, they're starting to have like these lines down here. And at first I thought it was my pregnancy, like weight gain, so you know, it has a dark line. But maybe I'm just getting old, and so that's freaking me out a little bit. I'm still looking for a good décolleté cream, so do recommend if you know a brand for me to use, because I am not okay with these lines. Like, this is not cool for me. We cannot forget this 24 karat gold facial mask by Majestic Girl. Okay, so I was a little like, oh, I don't know, I have a lot of face masks, I have a lot of things that have been working for me. Do I really want to try this? You want to try this? I posted a picture of this on Instagram, and Instagram did not do my face justice. Literally, the moment I put this on, my face was gold. I felt like a bronze goddess, and it feels so good. It is extremely oily, but I think that the oil or whatever, the glow, this tackiness is supposed to be good for you. I don't recommend doing this on the daily, because they do recommend only twice a week. I only use this once a week, but when I do use it, I keep it on my face for a good hour, and then I go in and shower it off, and it does take some scrubbing to get it off. Now I want to talk about app. Okay, Okay, so my favorite, I'm not being paid for to talk about this, by the way. This is something I actually use. So during my pregnancy with Kate, I have been using this app. It's called the pregnancy app. It has like 2 little baby foot. And right now it's telling me I'm at 19.5 weeks. But yeah. That's what it looks like. And what I like about this is you can look at the mommy part. It tells you what's going on with your body, and it's quite correct. And then it tells you what's going on with the baby, how he or she is doing. And so I really like that. And it literally tells you like how many weeks you have left. And when I was pregnant with Kate, I used this religiously. It's so fun to kind of see what change your baby's going through, what your body's going through. A lot of these things are exactly on point for me. However, for my second pregnancy, I've been recommended to use the SOUTHSHORE Hospital pregnancy app. The sizing of what they describe to be, of course, is different, but it reminds you what appointment to make, what class to take. I don't use this app as much, but because I'm logged in, it'll let me know when my appointment is. That's why I have this on. But if I were to recommend anything, I do recommend the pregnancy app with the 2 baby foot. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you a close-up. I definitely really love this app. This is FACETORY Bustle. I got this, I would say, like a month ago, and I still haven't been able to use it, mainly because I've been super busy with life, and I definitely will be using this. I usually go on a whole week binge of face masks because they do give me 7. So do check me out on Snapchat and Instagram, because I literally take the 7-day challenge and I have a face mask for all 7 days instead of doing like, you know, one every other day. So when I do go on a face mask binge, I face mask binge. So I really enjoy, and I really want to thank FACETORY for sending me these beautiful masks, and I love their little card that they send along with it. And the packaging, beautiful. And the face mask, which I love, what I love about them is they always use like brand name one. It isn't like the crappy one. It really is worth the money. Because for example, this is by Luvableviet, the baby face injection. When I had my plastic surgery done at Luvableviet, I saw this being sold, and it wasn't cheap, guys. So they use top quality product, and I love that. In the back, it always have like an English part on how to use it. A lot of the face masks that you buy at Korean store in New York or whatever, it doesn't have English, so some of them you're supposed to keep on, some of them you're supposed to wash off after, and I always like get that part screwed because I couldn't read Korean. But I love that with FACETORY, not only are all of their face masks have English on it, on how to use, but they also have this card that literally talks about everything that's in it, how to use it. So I definitely love their product. And I would honestly recommend this to anybody. The next shout out that I want to talk about is to BELBEL. This is actually from one of my viewers, my fan that started her own business, and she sent baby Kate something. And this is honestly really long overdue, but I just couldn't have the time to sit there to talk about certain things. But now that I do want to say thank you. And here's the card that she wrote for me. It's Dear Shantae, a big congratulations on your pregnancy. My little girl has just turned 1 year old. Time goes by very quickly. Cherish every moment with your little one. Hope that you like the handmade bow and key ring. It's a little gift for you, mommy to be. Wishing you health and happiness all the way from the UK, Oxford. This is lots of love, Rosen BELBEL. So congratulations. I am so sorry it took a while, and I really do appreciate, Kate really do appreciate it. Now that Kate has some hair, she can actually use it. It is definitely done with love. I love the packaging, and lots of love to my fans in UK. You guys make me proud. I love how responsive you guys are. I love how you've been with me since day one. I just love you guys. You guys watch the video fully. You guys are always the first to, like, you know, to see it, and you guys don't skip through. You guys support the channel. You guys are so nice. I get so many letters from the UK. I just love you guys. Thank you so much for the following. And of course, I love you everywhere else too, but I just noticed that most of my UK viewers and fans, they really stand out on how much they want to be part of my life. It makes me really want to go over there if I can, but it's just been so hard for me, and I do appreciate each and every single one of you. So the last few things you have are all of these little cute boxes, and of course I'm going to give you a close look at them. But definitely love it. Baby Kate want to say thank you, and so do Mommy. Mommy want to say thank you too. But I'm so sorry for the late video. At least I made it now. But that so far is my August favorite, or what's been going on, the changes in my life. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If you've used any of the product that I've mentioned in the video, don't forget to comment down below, because I know people will enjoy seeing a second opinion. And remember, I don't think I'm correct. I don't think I know everything. I would like to share my own personal opinion, but I welcome anyone else who feel differently, because it's only fair if we all get to voice our opinion about certain things so that everyone else can read the good and the bad, and just we all benefit from it. But yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.